Hello, everyone, and a very big welcome to all the learners across the globe. Today, before beginning the tutorial, let's discuss some sentences to understand the topic in a better way. So, let's see some sentences first. Akbar was a great king. Naughty Monkey was swinging on the branch of a tree. Malini has a violet sari. Mahashweta Devi is a famous activist and writer. He was a skilled painter. That house is empty. So all these sentences have some underlined words you can see like great, naughty, violet, famous, skilled and empty. And all of them have something in common. Can you guess what these words are called? These words are actually called adjectives, and that is our topic for the day, adjectives and their kinds. So let's begin. First of all, let's talk about adjectives only. Adjectives are the words that tell us about the quality of the noun or pronoun. किसी भी noun या pronoun की जो quality है, जो words बताते हैं उस quality को, उनको हम adjectives कहते हैं. This quality can be either positive or negative. ये quality या तो positive या negative भी हो सकती है. And there are 6 types of adjectives. Basically, there are 6 types of adjectives. Let's see some more examples for adjectives. 9-year-old girl, lovely house, blue roof, 3 windows, fresh and moist dewdrops, some lemonade, a lot of money. So in these all examples you can see the underlined words. They are also the adjectives because they are highlighting the qualities of the nouns or the pronouns here. So now let's move on to the kinds of adjectives. There are in fact 6 types of adjectives. These 6 types are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. These are the basic 6 types of the kinds of adjectives. The first kind that we are going to discuss are the adjectives of quality. Indicates the quality of the nouns. इनके नाम से ही पता चलता है adjectives of quality. Quality मतलब किसी चीज़ की अच्छाई या उसकी क्या quality है उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं इन adjectives में. It answers the questions what kind of, किस तरह का, इस question को ये answer करते हैं. Like a kind man, किस तरह का man? A kind man, it is the quality of that man. A paved footpath, किस तरह का footpath? Paved, it is the quality of that footpath. A tall boy, a stale food, juicy mangoes, impressive performance. किस तरह की performance थी? It was impressive performance. So all these words underline the quality of the nouns on the pronoun. That is why they are called the adjectives of quality. Next are the adjectives of quantity. These are also called quantifiers. They tell us about the quantity of the noun or the pronoun. Quantity, कितनी मात्रा में कोई चीज़ है उसको बारे में हमको ये बताते हैं. They are also the measuring words. And they answer the questions like how much, कि कितनी है कोई चीज़. Many birds, कितने birds? Many birds. Enough paper, all animals, few men, much money. So all these words are the adjectives of quantity because they are highlighting the quantity, the measuring of the nouns or the pronouns. That is why they are called the adjectives of quantity. Moving on to the adjectives of numbers. They describes about the amount of the countable nouns. जो nouns count हो सकते हैं उन उसके amount या उनकी quantity को ये describe करते हैं. They answer the question how many कि कितने हैं. These kinds of adjectives they use the cardinal and the ordinal numbers both. Cardinal number जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100 इस तरह से and ordinal numbers like first, second, third, 10th, 20th, 100 इस तरह से. See the examples. 3 blocks. कितने blocks? 3 blocks. Fourth counter. कितने number का counter? Fourth counter. King George the First, second week of every month, 4 chairs, 17 sums, 100 marks. So all these are the examples of adjectives of numbers because ये हमें nouns या pronouns के numbers के बारे में information देते हैं. Next are the demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives answer the question which कि कौन सा. 4 demonstrative adjectives are basically there. This, that, these या those. ये इशारा करके हमको बताते हैं कि noun या pronoun कहाँ है या कौन सा है. Tells whether the noun is singular or plural. अगर तो noun singular है तब हम this या that के बारे में बताते हैं. अगर plural है तो these या those लगाते हैं. Similarly, it also refers to whether the noun is near or far. अगर तो noun पास है आपके, कोई चीज़ आपके पास है तो हम लगाते हैं this या these. लेकिन अगर कोई चीज़ far off है, दूर है, then we use that and those. Let's see some examples. This flute, that shop, these umbrellas, those cards, this pencil, these mice, that watchman, those plates. These are all the examples of demonstrative adjectives. अगर तो singular चीज़ है वो आपके पास है, then we use this. Plural चीज़ आपके पास है तब हम बोलते हैं these. अगर दूर है तो that या those. After the demonstrative adjectives, we now reach the interrogative adjectives. Let's see what are these. These adjectives basically ask for the information about the nouns or the pronouns. जिस noun या pronoun के साथ ये लगे होते हैं उनके बारे में they ask the information. Words like what, whose, which, when, whence, how, where, etc. form the interrogative adjectives. जो भी WH words हैं, they are the part of interrogative adjectives. Let's see some examples. What music is the mermaid playing? Whose oyster is she sitting in? Which flowers do they like? Whence? Whence matlab from where did they come? Whom should I speak to? These are all the examples of interrogative adjectives which are asking us the information about the nouns or the pronouns with which they are associated. Last one are the possessive adjectives. Let's see about them now. These are basically expressing the possession of a noun by something or someone. ये चीज़ किसकी है या कौन इस चीज़ का हकदार है, that is denoted by basically the possessive adjectives. It answers the question whose कि किसकी चीज़ है ये. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, etc. are the possessive adjectives. ये सब examples हैं possessive adjectives के. Let's see in detail. My dog is missing. Whose dog is missing? My dog. So here my is the possessive adjective. Your mother fell. Whose mother fell? Your. So your is the possessive adjective used here. Similarly, I used his sweater. किसका sweater use किया मैंने? His. She went to repair her bicycle. The dog wants to play with its toy. Our dog is missing. We used their car. See, अगर तो singular subject use हो रहा है तो हम singular possessive adjective use करते हैं. अगर plural subject use हो रहा है तो हम plural use करते हैं. For example, we used their car. हमने उनकी कार इस्तेमाल की. किनकी कार? उनकी. Their car. So that's all for today, everybody. Today we talked about adjectives and the kinds of adjectives as well. In the next tutorial, we will continue with the topic of adjectives only. Next time, we will discuss the degrees of adjectives. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Also like and share the videos with your friends, family and students if you are teaching. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So जब भी new tutorial upload हो आप लोगों को information instantly मिल जाए. Thank you everybody. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. See you next time.